Alright, get ready. Hey niggas, finna get it in. Shit, the first one almost blow the nigga ass away with the damn fireworks. I'm standing behind the wall right here, so you know what I'm saying, make sure that I don't get that sparks, that shit blow up, boy, that shit be all over the place, boy. First one he did. I'm finna do this one. Man, it would take y'all niggas so long. What y'all niggas got going on? Oh shit. We finna light it up. On behind the wall. It's going. Ooh. Damn. When the smoke clears, smoky out this motherfucker. Look at that shit. Damn.
Yeah, we blowing shit up out here. Yeah, let's stop playing. The real TNT. Yeah, you know we got him. Look, Dynamite. The short Dynamite Rose. You know we got
Get in
him.
the light so we can hear
Yeah. The real Dynamite Rose.
Oh, you want some
Y'all don't know nothing about that. Yeah, we blow your car with that too.
Oh.
You better have right. Look at the kids. Look, got them shook. They don't never be shook on fireworks. I got some for boom. I knew what I was doing. I like, they go down. Yeah, I'm gone, bro. Look at her.
Every time she shoots, she gotta look outside. Let me hit that, right? Oh, damn.
You finna drop the next one, right?